And news just in, the Election Commission has given time to Rahul Gandhi to respond to his remark that if Modi becomes Prime Minister, 22,000 people will be massacred. The Commission has asked him to respond to the notice by the 12th of May in the morning, but now it has given him time till 11 a.m. on May the 15th, that's Thursday. So 4 more days, Rahul Gandhi gets to reply to his comments made at a polling booth where he said that if Modi comes to power, 22,000 people will be massacred. The Election Commission said prima facie it was of the opinion that Rahul Gandhi had violated the Model Code of Conduct. Rahul made the comment during an election rally in Solan in Himachal Pradesh a few days ago. I want to go straight across to Deputy Editor Ashar Khan for more on this. Ashar, how is Rahul Gandhi or the Congress, how are they planning to explain a comment of that sort? The Election Commission has taken cognizance. They'd given him time till this morning. No answer forthcoming. Clearly, the Congress has, apparently requested more time. So they've given him 4 more days. But what are you hearing from the party? How are they ever going to explain a comment like that?
Well, first, the time was given till 11 a.m. today, but now it has been extended by 3 more days. Sources in the Congress are saying that when Rahul Gandhi was making that speech in Solan in Himachal Pradesh, he categorically stated figures from 1998 to 2004. He said from 1998 to 2004, people killed in terror strikes and in terrorist activities in the country were 22,000. That's a documented fact. While in the last 10 years of the UPA rule, people killed in terror strikes and terror attacks in the country have been 800. So what the Congress party is saying that this was the juxtaposition which Rahul Gandhi was trying to make, and it was in this context Rahul Gandhi said it. That is what we hear from our sources. The Congress party is going to take to the Election Commission before the 15th of May when the time expires.